Hey, what's up, everybody? Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, back with another segment of how-to. Hey, today we're just gonna be doing simple floor mat cleaning. So, I mean, basically when you go out, you do basic wash on the car, get the mats out, you wanna just spruce them up a little bit. You're not going in depth and shampooing and, deep cleaning and all that. This is just a basic how-to, something simple. Keep the car looking good after you vacuumed it. You want your customer to see it, get in, be ready to go. So basically it's gonna be how to do a floor mat. So basically we're gonna just take our tornado. If you got a blower on your truck or whatever, or compressor, it's a good tool to have. So basically just take that. So basically we got that covered. So once we get it all blowed out, get it clean real quick, it'll take us a good all-purpose. You get some G-Technic or whatever brand you use. Take that, and then we'll get the hot spot. So if you look down in here, you see where you got spots, maybe coffee or soil or whatever that come out. So we'll basically take that, and we'll wet that up a little bit. So just pretty much just get the mat together, wet it up a little bit. So once we get that, I always keep me a good bucket of soap and water and everything around, good scrub brush. So I give me a little brush down, and we'll just go in. We ain't trying to soak it up. We ain't trying to make it super soaky and nothing like that. Just basically go in, hit it real quick. Get it real clean. Then what we'll do is we'll take our towel, flip it over, go down, just wipe the top of it off. We get a little excess dirt. So once we got all that done, we'll basically just look at it, check it out. We'll have some fibers or some dirt that may come up from scrubbing or whatever, so we'll take a little tornado. Then once we get it all blowed off, everybody been doing this, I've been doing this 20 years. 20 years ago, somebody asked me to do it. I didn't know what the hell to do, so I figured it out. But now everybody's got the game figured out on how to do it. So basically, you're gonna take your brush, you're gonna brush it out all your fibers one way. Get your fibers done all one way. You basically take your brush, just pull it down. You pull it, kind of make it, the space in between, like that. And you're gonna make it look super good. The space you left in between, you just basically go back behind it and pull it the other way. Yeah, straight, pretty much. You just got, just a quick clean. Now, you look at like the M5 right here. So you see how it's a little dirty from steel. We didn't really just get in and scrub. We just basically did a good clean. So this is your upsell point right here. This is what you use to upsell. So now, show your customer, hey, we can get that a little bit cleaner, but we need to do a shampoo. We need to shampoo your carpets. We need to steam your carpets. We need to extract your carpet. And then that's where you start making your money. So look at those little things, get it clean, but still leave room to where you got upsells. Hey, this is Steve with Showcase Reconditioning. Hey, check us out, 678-334-3889. You can find me on Instagram at Showcase Recon. And if you got any questions or anything that you want to know, DM me or leave a question in the comment and we got you. Appreciate you checking out how to Showcase Recon.